Hi guys, can we add highlights to lips in Photoshop? Yes, here's a simple and easy way to do it. First, zoom in on the lips area. Now go to the selection tool and choose the lasso tool. Make a selection on the upper lip area. After that, hold the Shift key and make a selection on the lower lip as well, so both areas are selected. Now go to the adjustment layer and select solid color. Choose white color and press OK. Next, select the color fill 1 layer. Go to window properties. Increase the feather value to around 23.3 px to soften the highlight. Now go to blending options. Under underlying layer, hold Alt and separate the slider. Adjust it around 120 to 125 for a natural lip highlight effect. And that's it. You've successfully added soft, realistic highlights to the lips in Photoshop. Here is before and after. Don't forget to subscribe Netto Doch for more easy tutorials of Photoshop. Thank you.